Let's dive into an app's brain, its memory. That's what we call state management.
Well, it all comes down to how an app remembers stuff. Developers just call that state.
So, think about a super simple app. Just one screen, everything's right there, nice and easy.
You can just use a simple command like setState. It basically tells the screen, hey, update.
Okay, but what happens when your simple app, well, isn't so simple anymore?
Right, at first, it's just one screen. Everything's in one happy little box.
Then, boom, you add user profiles. Now, another part of the app needs that user info.
And then, of course, a settings page, which also needs to know what the user wants.
So, how do all these different screens share the same info without becoming a total mess? That simple state set trick? Now, it's like shouting across a room. It's just noisy.
Yeah, this quote says it all. You're forcing huge chunks of your app to rebuild for no reason.
And all that extra work, it makes your app slow, disorganized, and a pain to work on.
So clearly, there has to be a better way. And there is. It's called state management. Okay, so instead of shouting, think of it like this: a central radio station for your data.
Basically, it's a clean, organized way to manage and share all that important app data.
The station broadcasts data, parts of the app tune in, and only the listeners get updated.
So you can see the difference, right? Shouting is messy. The radio method is built to scale.
So, which radio station is right for your app? Well, you've got a few popular options.
You'll hear names like Provider, Riverpod, and Block thrown around a lot in the Flutter community.
And each one has its own style and strengths. It really just depends on what you need.
Ultimately, it's not just about clean code. It's about keeping your whole team in sync.